In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to create credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online, a training tutorial. We'll walk through creating a new credit card account so you can track charges, payments, and balances accurately. Start in your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top right corner for the gear icon. This is your gateway to Essential Settings. Click it, and in the menu that opens, select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is the list of all the accounts your company uses to organize financial data, so adding a credit card here ensures your transactions post to the right place. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, click New at the top right. This opens the panel where you'll define the account. Begin by entering the name of your new credit card account. Use a clear, recognizable name, such as the bank or card brand, so you can easily identify it later, especially if you manage multiple cards. Next, set the account type to credit card. This tells QuickBooks how to treat the account in your books and where it appears on reports. For detail type, choose credit card as well. Keeping the account and detail types aligned ensures your transactions behave as expected and appear in the correct financial statements. Now enter the opening balance and the date of that balance. The opening balance is what you owe on the card as of the date you're starting to track it in QuickBooks. Pick the date that matches your records, like the statement date or the day you begin using QuickBooks for this card. Accurate opening information keeps your reconciliations simple and your reports reliable. You can also add a description. This is optional but helpful for context, such as noting the card's purpose or last four digits. Clear descriptions make it easier for you and your team to recognize the account when creating transactions. After you've added all the necessary details, click Save. Your new credit card account is now part of your chart of accounts and ready to use. To begin working with it right away, click View Register on the newly created credit card account. The register lets you review, add, and edit transactions directly, like charges, credits, and payments. Alternatively, use the new button at the top left to create transactions such as expenses or bill payments, and then select this credit card in the Payment Account field. Either approach records activity to the same place. That's all. You've successfully set up a credit card account in QuickBooks Online, paving the way for clearer tracking and easier reconciliation.